What's up? Dan here from Code Noobs. And if you're just starting out in development, you might be confused by terms like language, library, package, and framework. And today we're going to go over what each of these are. So with so many tech terms floating around, it's easy to get confused. So what is a framework? What's a library? And how are they different from languages and packages? Today we'll explain this difference between coding language, library, package, and framework, and hopefully clarify this a bit for you. So coding language, that's the core building blocks of programming. They let us give instructions to the computer. Examples are HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, C++, Go, PHP, Java, and many more. Learning a coding language is like learning English or Spanish. It gives you a vocabulary and grammar to communicate. So think of it as like it allows you to communicate. I think that's a good way to look at it, right? Languages define the structure of code, but they don't offer pre-built solutions like frameworks or libraries. A library is a collection of pre-written code designed to simplify certain tasks within a language. Some examples are React and jQuery for JavaScript, those are popular libraries, and Pandas and NumPy in Python. Imagine a library as a toolbox with specialized tools so you don't have to reinvent the wheel every time you need a specific function. Libraries help with specific tasks like creating a user interface or handling animations, making coding faster and easier. A package is a bundle of related code that you can install to use in your project. There are package managers. They're tools that help you manage, install, uninstall, and update packages. For example, NPM is the Node package manager, and pip is the Python package manager. Think of packages as like grocery store bundles where you get everything you needed for a recipe. For example, you might install a date picker package for a calendar feature. A quick tip, packages can save hours by providing ready-made solutions, but it's important to understand how to update or troubleshoot them. You don't want to install too many dependencies in your project because that can create a headache later, but they are a great resource and do make make coding a lot faster because you can rely on stuff that other people wrote that works. A framework is a more complete set of tools and rules that help you build and structure entire applications. Some examples of the frameworks are Next.js or Angular for JavaScript and Django or Flask for Python. A framework, think of it like a blueprint or a foundation of a house. It gives you a pre-built structure to work within and enforces a particular way to do things. Frameworks are popular because they provide built-in ways to handle common challenges like routing and data management. And I would argue, today in modern web development, you really need to work with frameworks eventually because that's how you're going to be, hireable and efficient. So a quick recap, a language is the base provides the basic grammar and vocabulary. A library is a toolbox with specialized tools. A package is a bundle of code for specific functionalities. A framework is a blueprint and structure for full projects. So, for example, for a project, you might use JavaScript, the language, React, library. You might use NPM packages and the Next.js framework all together. Don't forget, it's totally normal to feel overwhelmed. Start with languages, experiment with a few libraries, and explore frameworks as your skills grow. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more web development tips. Thanks.